In the previous video we have covered the motion blocks, mode, profile, move, and homing blocks. In this tutorial, I will not be going into the details of their programming, I will just drop and configure them to get started with this new video in which I will show you how to add and use following blocks: wait digital input, time delay, repeat, and end repeat. I am going to the wait category, selecting wait digital input block, and dropping it into the program, where we want to wait for digital input activation, for program to continue. The wait digital input block has two fields: input number and wait for condition. The block waits for specified input to be set to the specified value, high or low. The next block in the sequence will not be run until the desired condition is met. For demonstration purpose, I have two position toggle switch to emulate external input. Switch is wired to digital input 4. When switch is closed, digital input is low. We are going to wait for condition on digital input number 4 to be set to low. I will now drop 3 more blocks to program repeat motions with time delay between them. I am going to the control flow category, selecting and dropping repeat and end repeat blocks. I am going to the motion category and dropping 2 move blocks between repeat and end repeat blocks to program moves of X and Y axes. Now, I am going to the wait category and dropping delay blocks after each move block. Repeat block opens and end repeat block closes, the repeated part of the sequence. Repeat block has 2 fields. ID. We have to assign unique ID to repeat block. Number. Here we specify how many times we want to repeat the sequence of blocks between repeat block and end repeat block. End repeat block has only 1 field. ID. Here we have to enter the ID we specified in the repeat block. Identifiers of the repeat and end repeat blocks have to match. I am using identifier number 1 and entering it into the blocks. Number of motions to be repeated will be 4, and being entered into the number field of the repeat block. Now I am configuring X and Y axes. I am selecting relative move, entering 150,000 microsteps, selecting positive direction, and axis number 0. I am doing the same for Y axis, but I am selecting axis number 1. Delay block waits for specified time. The next block in the sequence will not be executed until the specified time has passed. In this example, we will use 1 second delay between motions, programmed in milliseconds. Let's run the program now by clicking Run button. All blocks before wait block have been executed. Now program is pending until digital input 4 goes to low state. I will press switch now to simulate this condition and program execution will continue.